Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for DBMS. Today we are going to continue the topic called that is three scheme architecture, that is a three level of abstraction in DBMS area. Let's go for session today. So before going this topic here now, there are three types of we had now the things that is there are three types of architecture that is called internal, conceptual, and external schema. Before going deeply, we had now the goal. What is the goal of this schema? That means the schema architecture, because to separate the user application and the physical database. So if you want to separate the user application and the physical database, that time you need support of this three-tier architecture, schema architecture. Moreover, here the DBA, that is database administrator, is responsible is to change the structure of database storage without affecting the user view. Moreover, it always deals with the data relationship between them and the different access methods implemented on the database. The logical design of a database is called a schema. So here now, what is schema? So this is a tutorial definitely helpful for who want to learn the fundamentals of DBMS here. So the schema, just now to schema, the external level, concept level, internal level, we'll see one by one. First one is the before that you have a block diagram here where you can understand better way. See the point option. So here physical schema, here how data is stored, where it's stored, the database here, and here conceptual scheme saying what data stored. Here you have external view, that is external view, user 1, user 2, user how user is viewing the data, and so on and so on. So this is the overall diagram about the three-tier architecture schema. And first one, external level. So external level, you can say it always describe the part of the database that the user is interested in and hides the rest of the database from the user code, remember. And also the external view, apart from this, external view provides a powerful and flexible security mechanism by hiding the parts of the database from the particular user. And then come to the conceptual or logic level. So this level always describes the structure of the whole database here, and here this level act always as a middle layer between the physical storage and the user view. Moreover, it explains what data is stored in the database and what relationship exists among those data and what the data types are. Moreover, there is only one conceptual schema as per database. This in the diagram here, conceptual schema here. And moreover, it always hides the details of the physical storage structure. Physical storage structure hides the details of the physical storage structure and concentrates on describing entities, data types, relationships, constants, and so on. Then come to the internal, or physical level. So internal level, it will say here it always describe the physical storage structure of the database. Moreover, it describe the complete details of the data storage and access path also, remember. So you can say like this is the lowest level of database abstraction. Moreover, you can say it also allows viewing the physical representation of the database on the computer system also. So this is about the three schema architecture. Remaining will see in the upcoming session. Please kindly watch the playlist when you have doubt, and if you like the video, please subscribe and follow in the social media. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.